Filipina. I'm proud to be a Filipina. I've been in UAE for 3 years and 7 months already. I have learned Arabic from Mr. Professor Malik. I grabbed the opportunity to add Arabic into my knowledge, so I attended these classes for around 3-4 months. Every week, I make it sure to come to attend the classes. It is indeed nice to learn Arabic because as an expat here in foreign country, we have to be equipped of what is existing in this country. First, we have to know the culture, and it is good to learn their language. At least you can be able to communicate, you can be able to understand more if you are aware or if you know how to deal with them or how to talk to them properly. At first, I found studying Arabic difficult, but since I am very keen to learn Arabic, so it comes from within. I learn how to read, I learn how to write, put some words together. I am conversant in Arabic, but not that fluent yet. Still, I want to learn more, so I will be able to communicate fluently, more fluently, I can say. I can just converse in greetings, asking how you are, else attending to telephone calls or talking to some friends in Arabic. So I think that is a good achievement for me, getting to know Arabic language, getting to practice it, and making the most out of it. I think it's an advantage for us here. I benefited from these Arabic classes because I used to work in a company wherein Arab people are there. Gradually, I was able to talk to them in Arabic. I think basic. It's just I can say it's just basic. I know what they're saying. I can converse with them, but like what I've said, I have to learn more, so I will be able to converse more with them. Now I'm working with another company, and I'm exposed to Arab people again. Thanks God, I know Arabic. I can say it's my way of communicating with my new colleagues. They're asking me how I've learned the proper Arabic diction or Arabic way of saying these Arab words. So I'm proud to say I've learned it from my professor, and his name is Professor Malik. So they're saying, mashallah, it's like, yeah, very good, masbut. I'm just saying it's just a little Arabic reading, writing, and conversing in Arabic. But they're just saying it's like, yeah, you're very good. The way you pronounce words, the way you deliver the words, it's in the proper way. So I'm heading the right track, it means. And also, I can say I can manage in town, for example, in a taxi. If some taxi drivers doesn't speak or only speak a little English, so I can manage to converse with them in Arabic, where I want to go, how to go there, something that, how much, even in marketplace, and so I can be able to make use of this Arabic. I'm enrolled already in the second level of Arabic lessons, so inshallah I will be learning more and more. And I'm planning also to enroll in Arabic typing. Since now I started to type, but it's just a little. I'm putting words together, but I'm not a professional Arabic typist. So inshallah, in due time, after finishing this course of Arabic typing, I will be able to type more professionally. Through the help of Professor Malik, let us just grab this chance and add more to our knowledge. Be equipped of what this country is, be equipped of what we have to use in this country, learn the culture, learn the dialect, and yeah, I would suggest you to participate in this or to join this program, we have to plan, we have to schedule our task. Of course, attendance counts a lot. And of course, whatever homework is giving, we have. Inshallah, inshallah you will learn also how to use this Arabic language as a tool to empower yourself in facing day-to-day activities here in a foreign country.